4th bit root 5. So we have to show that this is irrational. So but we will consider this as rational. So first we will suppose this as rational, then we will prove that it is irrational. So let us start. In solution, let us write, let us assume that root 5 is rational. So what do you mean by rational? If any number, if we are saying that is rational, that means it can be written in p by q form. So root 5 is equals to p by q. Here q is not equals to 0. Q should not be equals to 0. So next, suppose if we are able to write these numbers as p by q, that means some or the other number will be common. Suppose if I am writing in place of p 6 and in place of q 9. So we can cancel this. Why? Because they are having some common factor, that is 3. So 3 2s are 3 3s are. So now it is 2 by 3. So both are having 1 as a common factor. Why? Because 2 in 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So both are having 1 as a common factor. So when the two numbers are having 1 as a common factor, then that numbers are called coprimes. So this is just for explanation. Now let us do here. So here p comma q. If p comma q have a common factor. So if p comma q are having some common factor, like just now I have explained in example by taking an example, let us cancel that common factor. So on cancelling that common factor, it get reduces to a by b. Like 6 by 9 reduces to 2 by 3, like that it will reduces to a by b. So 2 and 3 are having 1 as a common factor, that's why they are coprimes. So here where a comma b are coprimes. So next we can write, now this p by q will become, after cancellation it will become a by b. So root 5 is equals to a by b. Send this b to here. So root 5 into b is equals to a. Now we will do the squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Square root of 5 square b square is equals to a square. This square and this will cancel. So 5b square is equals to a square. So what do you mean by this? We can bring it down below a square. So b square is equals to a square by 5. That means 5 is dividing a square. So when 5 is dividing a square, that means it will also divide a. Why? Because suppose for example I am taking 9, and what is the square of 9 is 81. So will 3 divide 81? Yes. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So 3 is dividing the square of 9. Will it divide 9 also? Yes. So 3 3s are 9. So if any number which is dividing its square, then it will divide the same number also. That is the basic thing. So here 5 is dividing a square. 5 divides a square. So when it divides a square, that means it also divides a, and thereby 5 also divides a. So when it is dividing a square, that means it is also dividing a. So we can take 5c is equals to a. So what do you mean by this? 5 goes down. So it is like this, c is equals to a by 5. So 5 is dividing a. So we can take like this. Now squaring on both sides. So 5c whole square is equals to a square. Square of 5 is 25. C square is equals to a square. Next, let this be as first equation. From first equation we can write what is the a square value? 5b square. So 25c square, in place of a square we can write 5b square. So 5b square. Now we can cancel this. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So 5c square is equals to b square. So when this 5 goes down, so it means 5 is dividing the b square. When it divides b square, it means it can also divide b. So we can write here 5 divides b square, and thereby it means 5. So 5 also divides b. So if it is dividing b square, that means it is also dividing b. Next, here we have written 5 is dividing a square, that means 5 is also dividing a. 5 divides both a and b. So in our assumption we have just done that that a and b are having a common factor 1, but when we have checked that, so we have got some other number is there, that is 5, that is common in b and in a. So other than 1 there is some other number which is cancelling, which is dividing a and b. So when this type of situation occurs, that means it is not a coprime. So this contradicts that a and b are coprime. So this contradicts means what we have assumed. We have assumed at the beginning that they were coprime, but we have got the opposite to that. That means coprime means both are having 1 as a common factor, but we have got 5 as a common factor. So that's why they are not coprime. So why this situation has arisen? This contradiction arised due to our assumption. So what we have assumed, that root 5 is rational number. So this is our assumption which is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. So what is correct? What we have assumed? We have assumed that it is a rational number. So our assumption is wrong. So therefore correct is root 5 is an irrational number.